When searching for the best GoPro alternatives, budget-conscious users often look for options that offer similar features at a more affordable price. These alternatives generally cater to a wide range of activities like vlogging, action sports, underwater adventures, and casual use. Here's a detailed list of the 5 best GoPro alternatives that are more budget-friendly yet feature-rich. Crosstour CT9900. The Crosstour CT9900 stands out as one of the best affordable GoPro alternatives, delivering solid performance for action camera enthusiasts on a budget. It boasts 4K video recording at 60 fps and 1080p at 120 fps, ensuring crisp, high-resolution footage with impressive slow-motion capability. The 6-axis EIS stabilization guarantees smooth videos, even in action-packed moments. Its 2-inch IPS touchscreen provides an easy interface for settings and previewing footage. Perfect for outdoor adventures, the CT9900 is water-resistant up to 40 meters with its housing, making it ideal for underwater shooting. With 100 minutes of battery life at 4K recording, it supports long recording sessions. Plus, it comes equipped with a remote and various mounts for added convenience. However, the Crosstour CT9900 does require housing for water resistance, and its low light performance is average. Despite this, it remains a top contender for those seeking high-quality footage at an affordable price. Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro. The Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro might be your affordable alternative to GoPro. This budget-friendly action camera packs a punch with 4K 30fps video and 16MP photos. Its built-in EIS helps smooth out your footage, while the waterproof case lets you dive up to 30 meters deep. With 2 batteries included, you can capture up to 3 hours of adventure. The Vision 3 Pro shines with its generous accessory bundle and user-friendly 2-inch LCD. While it can't match GoPro's premium quality, it offers solid performance for casual users. However, for the price, it takes a lot of work to beat the value proposition. If you're new to action cameras or on a tight budget, the Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is definitely worth considering as a GoPro alternative. Akaso EK7000 Pro. The Akaso EK7000 Pro might be just what you need, a budget-friendly action camera that won't break the bank. This affordable GoPro alternative offers 4K 25 fps video capture and a 2-inch touchscreen for easy control. While it may not match the top-tier performance of premium models, it delivers solid value for casual users and beginners. The EK7000 Pro comes with a waterproof case rated for depths up to 40 meters, making it ideal for underwater adventures. Its dual battery setup provides around 90 minutes of recording time, perfect for day trips. The included remote control and mounting kits add convenience and versatility to your shooting options. However, don't expect miracles in challenging conditions. The primary image stabilization struggles with heavy motion and the lack of 4K 60 fps might disappoint more demanding users. Despite these limitations, the Akaso EK7000 Pro remains a compelling choice for those seeking an affordable entry point into the world of action cameras. Victure AC920. Meet the Victure A920, a feature-packed action camera that delivers impressive performance without the premium price tag. This robust little device captures crisp 4K footage at a smooth 60 fps, perfect for fast-paced action shots. Its 6-axis electronic image stabilization keeps your videos steady, even in the most turbulent conditions. The AC920 boasts a generous 2.33-inch IPS touchscreen, making framing and playback a breeze. With 40-meter water resistance, housing required, and a 120-minute battery life at 4K, it's ready for extended underwater adventures. The camera also comes with a solid selection of accessories to get you started. While the AC920 shines in many areas, it has its drawbacks. The need for housing to achieve waterproofing can be inconvenient, and infrequent software updates might leave some features lagging behind competitors. Nevertheless, for its price point, the Victure AC920 offers exceptional value and performance that rivals more expensive options. SJCAM SJ8 Pro. Finally, the SJCAM SJ8 Pro might be your perfect match, and it doesn't skimp on features. This budget-friendly action cam delivers impressive 4K 60fps footage, rivaling pricier models. Its 6-axis Euro stabilization keeps your videos smooth, even during high-octane activities. The SJ8 Pro boasts a crisp 2.33-inch IPS touchscreen, making it a breeze to frame shots and adjust settings on the fly. It has 30-meter water resistance but requires housing, so it's ready for underwater adventures. The 90-minute battery life at 4K is decent, though it drains faster at maximum settings. While the SJ8 Pro offers excellent value, it still needs trade-offs. Despite these minor drawbacks, the SJCAM SJ8 Pro stands out as a capable and affordable option for casual users looking to capture their adventures in high quality. Here's the end. The world of action cameras is teeming with options that can rival GoPro in terms of performance and features without the hefty price tag. Which camera are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check back for more tips and reviews to help you choose the perfect gear for your adventures.